How to fix ChatGPT Image Generator stuck on the final tweak. So what you can do is simply exit the ChatGPT app, then click and hold on to its icon, then click on More Features, click on App Info. From here click on Force Stop, then confirm it, then click on Storage Uses, click on Clear Cache. After that try to relaunch ChatGPT and it will start working. And if it is still not working, what you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ChatGPT, then check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date and it is still not working, then go to any web browser, search for chatgpt.com, then try to use the same prompt here. And if it is still not working even in the web version, then ChatGPT's entire server may be down. Just give it some time and after a while you can try it again and it might have been fixed. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.